Right, morning sports fans. We've got Fun Friday coming up, so I'm going to tell you what you need to do. And the first thing is that you've got to get onto this page. So I'm on 7SW, and we're under Term 2, Week 3, Friday the 1st of May. Yay. And we've got a page with a ton of activities for you. Look at them. That's 19 things you could do. Yeah. And alongside each activity, the staff have estimated how long we think it's going to take you. So you've got to choose enough activities to fill up 3 hours. So it could be a self-portrait under lockdown, that's 2 hours, plus, say this one, building a pasta tower. So what we want you to do is make a choice for what you want to do today. Make it add up to 3 hours, maybe a little bit more is okay. But make your decisions, stick with them, and see them through to the end. Okay? We don't want you sort of changing your mind and starting things and then starting something else. Okay? If you choose something that requires a video, and a lot of them do, what we want is a link to your video and your work. I'm going to talk a little bit about this. Where you put your work is on your My Friday Fun page. The page looks like this. If I just drop down to Alec here, I click on his page, I've actually put in some work here. Now, if I just go down to Alex Taylor, and I look at his My Friday Fun page, this is what the page looks like when you go on. It's got a space for you to put Term 2, Week 3, and then it's got space for Term 2, Week 4. Do that next week. So you're just going to be dropping stuff in here, and I've pretended to be Alec, and I've just put in 3 activities, this compass and ruler art, and I just copied that title from up here. It's pretty easy to do. Just copy like this. You go down. That's Control C and Control V. I'll just put it in again. Easy to do. Then you drop in a picture of your work. This one here called the Biomechanics of Sport. Done that activity or pretended to do that activity, and I've dropped in a video link for it. And then learning to juggle. If you did that, you'd need to take a video of how you were juggling before and after, and that would be the link. So your work for the day could quite theoretically look just like that. So if I go back to this page here, there's a bunch of things there that will get you out and about and getting you doing something that you'll really love. And if you guys can record them so your page looks like this, it's really clear for us. We know exactly what's going on, and we can access it and see it really clearly. Okay, that's it. Good luck, boys. Mr. Hobson's class, Mr. Nott is looking after you today because Mr. Hobson's away. Otherwise, Mr. B is looking after his class. Miss Watts is looking after her class, and Mr. Coleman's looking after his class. Okay, good luck. Bye-bye.